So, a very important topic. I need your attention. What click and drag means. I want you to be aware of a few click and drag conventions. So, when I say click something, this means click the primary mouse button, the left one. When I say double click, this means click the primary button twice in rapid succession. When I say right click, this means click with the secondary button, that is the right button on your physical mouse. When you do this, a shortcut menu will appear on the screen. When I say drag through a cell selection, this means click the first cell and hold down the primary mouse button as you swipe and then release the button when the selection is made. That is, so this is a basic topic, but still lot of beginners do a lot of error and get confused. That's it for now. We'll see you in our next video.